And connect the power line to the servo power supply. Make sure that the voltage and the current power supply are required. Now it says basically start up the InnoBasic workshop, which is found in the CD itself. That came with the kit. Now it assumes you have it already installed. There's an installer located under the directory English / InnoBasic Workshop. Now we've installed that, and let's move ahead to that. Where did we? Well, looks like we didn't install it. So we're going to have to go ahead and install that. It's a quick install actually. I just hit install and we are almost done. We're about at 85% completion. 95, 99, complete. And that puts a little icon on the desktop for you called InnoBasic Workshop 2. We're going to go ahead and open that up. Now, as part of this, it says that we're going to have to go ahead and, after we open it up, we're going to go ahead and click Tools and click the Motion Editor. And when we went into this, it actually asks us which preset are we. So I'm going to choose the Mini Hexapodinno. Click OK. I've clicked OK on that one. We've got another dialog box here. So we did get an error. We got an error here that said basically that could not connect to the bot. So let's try it again. Failed to reset servo server. Okay, let's choose the Mini Hexapodinno again. Okay. Okay, so basically that error meant that it was not connected properly. So according to the instructions, it says to disconnect. We're disconnecting. And now we are going to reconnect. Let's try it this time with power off, just to be safe. And we are reconnecting. Still got the same error. Let's double check this here, make sure the cable is connected properly. Yep, we're connected. Try this again. And let's click on the reset button. Okay. Well, it appears we're having some issues here, so we'll take this offline for right now and we'll start back up in a moment.